Good afternoon, Ananda. My project name is recipe related project. First, we can type on this command to click on there. My URL has been visible. To click on particular URL to following link. This is my page. First, we need to log in the page. Add a particular password. This is my account. And also a profile. You can also get this profile also. You can also change as a name, particular mail ID, particular username, and also description and choose your profile. Also, you can also change this profile and also change the password. And first, go into the home page. This is my home page. These are all the users, particularly using this website. And these are also chefs present using this website also. Now first you can publish the one recipe. I think paneer butter masala will be added. And also give me and also send some details for the recipe. I don't know what was the recipe. I use as a ChatGPT. Ask a ChatGPT. Once you can copy. And can paste. Time of nearly 1 hour. 2 servings are 2 servings. Some ingredients are paneer, paneer butter, etc. Choose any profile picture. Choose any profile. Particular recipe picture. Yeah, this is the picture I want to add. This recipe is added. Once added has been recipe. Once it has been added to the recipe, once we can use the particular recipe. These are all the added ingredients. This is also some ingredients added. The main ingredients will be added. Once we can save the particular file also. It automatically saves from the saved recipes. This is the paneer butter masala, and you can also remove that. And also we can, and it can also save at a time. It can also delete the recipe also. Save recipe and edit recipe. You can also edit the particular recipe and how many minutes and how many servings. When we can publish it. This is my project. Once we can ask any query. This is my chatbot. See, this chatbot only working with only recipes. How it will add. First I use as ask hi. It will be loading how I assist you today. How your cooking needs, whatever your question to recipe, ingredients, meal planning, cooking tips, how may I help you? Please help me how to prepare the ask. Be asked. Just wait, it's taking time for loading. Yeah, this is all the items. You can display the how to use an ingredients and instructions. This is the entire details. This is how to using for the chatbot. Once create a new account for this user. First we can click on register. Name is Raj. Mail project@gmail.com. Username will be Raj. You can create a password. This is only for user. You added a profile picture. Related profile picture will be added. And registered. Once registered the person, it automatically open a new account. This person was not added any recipe and any item, it was not any saved the recipes. But you can check the recipes. This person, large person will be added. And also add some published items. You can say, I think only used as a paneer butter masala same. You can click. And also same ingredients are also added. This time only for 20 minutes. Only for the server. Yeah. Same paneer butter masala butter will be added to the same ingredients. I will add an image and go to publish. It will be added to the my recipe. And you can also save and delete the recipe in the same as well as follow. Once you can check as a logout, go to home page. This is my entire home page. You can register also in this place. You can also register. And recently added recipes also will be displayed. Three recipes are added to Satish Kumar. One recipe recently added to the Raj and recently added to Satish also. This is my project and thank you.